Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas with nothing on it, and I have gone ahead and I have poured 3 cups of cyan blue, white, turquoise and silver, and I also have some black, not a lot but some, and I'm going to do flippy cups, 3 of them. Oops, come on, up we come. 1, 2, I need to move over just a tad, there you go, and 1 for the middle. That on there, waste not, want not, ugh, okay. And so just while they're having a little settle, I'll tell you that the recipes for these paints and pouring mediums you'll find below, show more under the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and so you're more than welcome to come and join us there. I do hope this is going to be pretty. There is only silicone in the white, none of the other colours have any, so I'm just waiting now to see what happens. So here we go, first one. Two, 3, and I didn't put a lot of black in, but hey, we're all right. Okay. Did you come out? Yep, he came out. Well, that's kind of pretty. So we might just give him a little bit of a burl. See if we can get some of these other colours out. I think what I might do is grab my pan just to tilt them on. I'm getting some cell action. Tilting him down to this corner. Come on, down you come. Okay, that's on that corner. You can go, Bubble. Oh, it's a lump. Let me get that out. Don't know what that is. No barking, please. And just over that corner, thank you. And then down onto these. You're barking, and I ask you not to, Winston. Oh goodness. Oh, this is nice. Just take a bit of that off. Make sure my corners are all covered. Lacey. Right. So that has the corners done. You're still barking. Okay, so I'm just going to go and rinse my hands off and give this a little torch. See if I can get some more of those cells up, because the ones that are coming up really look good. I'm quite impressed with this one. pretty indeed. Have some larger cells and now some itty bitty ones, some in the middle, and these up here are rather pretty, and then I've got some colourful ones coming up here. That's very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to take a look at this one and see what you think, and yeah, I hope you're impressed. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put videos up into YouTube. Please give this one the thumbs up. Feel free to share too. That's pretty good. That's what I've been looking at. You can see how pretty that is. That silver's really nice, quite metallic. And is it going to focus? Yep, that focus. It's on autofocus. It's absolutely hopeless to see about getting it off. Okay, we go across here. Now you're seeing the blues. That's the only blue I've got in there is the cyan. So it's mixed a bit with the white, so I've got a bit of shading, different colour blues with the silver and what have you. And then down to the turquoise. It's rather pretty. Looks a bit oceany, doesn't it? And the white, of course, is the only one that had the silicone in it, and it's starting to sell up really nice now. But I do have some little cells and what have you coming through the black. The blue is coming through. I really like this one. This is really pretty. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.